In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode in Canva, whether you're working late at night or just prefer a sleek look. Dark mode helps reduce eye strain and makes your workspace more comfortable. Let's get started. First, head over to the top right corner of your Canva screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Accessibility. This is where Canva lets you customize how the platform looks and feels. Inside the accessibility menu, you'll see the dark mode option. Click it once, and Canva instantly switches to a darker, sleek theme. Dark mode is not only stylish, it's practical. It reduces eye strain in low light environments and gives a modern feel to your design space. If you want to return to the default light mode, just head back to the same accessibility menu and toggle dark mode off. The change is instant, and that's it. You now know how to turn on dark mode in Canva. Try it out during your next design session and see how much easier it makes working in low light. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.